Good afternoon, welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we are at Grouse Mountain checking out the peak of Vancouver. The first thing we're going to have to do is go on this aerial tram straight up to the peak to enjoy the Christmas festivities.
Welcome aboard Grouse Mountain for SKYRIDE. Our trip will take about 6 minutes and we'll reach an elevation of 1,100 meters or 3,700 feet above the sea level.
Grouse Mountain's Peak of Christmas event offers families a variety of different activities to enjoy. There's ice skating and a visit with Santa. You can check out the light trail or snowshoeing if weather permits. There's crafts, a bonfire, and lots more.
That's Prancer and that's Vixen. They seem pretty chill.
Decorate festive fair. The Peak of Christmas also has a gingerbread village, which was created in benefit of BC Children's Hospital. Oh, the places you'll go, gingerbread? This gingerbread village is modeled after It's a Small World from Disneyland. Check out this gourmet warehouse. There's little carolers down there. Nice pond, decorated trees. It's a popular theme this year. There's another Small World. Wally.
It was in my very soul, was so sainted, printed, therefore Christian man be sure. Reading out your blessed poor, shy yourselves from blessing. He's coming late, he's coming late, he's bringing me a surprise. Dinner's in the kitchen and it's packed and I've been waiting such a long time. Now the side of my head trigger, I reason with my cigarette. Set your hands on fire, you must like it. All the other kids with the arms up, you should better run, like all the other kids with the arms up, you should better run, like all the other kids with the arms up, you should better run. All the other kids with the arms up, you should better run. All the other kids with the arms up, you should better run, better run. I'll run.
Thanks for joining us today at Grouse Mountain for the Peak of Vancouver. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures and as we check out other holiday-themed events this year. And now it's time to exit through the gift shop.